Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's kitchen. I'm Asma. Today I have a really exotic recipe of chicken nuggets to share with you. Everyone's favorite. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. So, let's get started with the ingredients of chicken nuggets. For chicken nuggets, I have half kilogram chicken, paste of 1 onion, 2.5 tablespoons soya sauce, 2.5 tablespoon vinegar, garlic paste, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon white flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 eggs beaten, breadcrumbs as required. If you want really easy way of making breadcrumbs at home, then click on I button show up on the screen. Right? Now let's get started with chicken marination. In half kilogram chicken, add paste of 1 onion, 2.5 tablespoon soya sauce, 2.5 tablespoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon black pepper, salt 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon white flour, Now mix all ingredients all together. Mix it all really well. After mixing it, keep it in freezer for half or an hour for marination. After an hour, I have marinated chicken, 3 beaten eggs and breadcrumbs as required. And here oil is getting warm for deep frying nuggets on low medium flame. Meanwhile, I will coat chicken firstly into breadcrumbs. Then in beaten eggs, then again in breadcrumbs. I am doing double coating of chicken pieces here and keep it aside and do further coating with chicken pieces. Now start putting all coated chicken pieces into required warm oil. Now all coated chicken pieces is in the oil. When they become golden, I will dish them out. Now I am dishing them out. They are really delicious. Make rest of the chicken pieces in this way. Now I am dishing them out in a serving dish. They are absolutely ready. You can serve them with French fries also. If you want French fries recipe, then click on the I button show up on the screen. Right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed chicken nuggets. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like chicken nuggets, share it with your family and friends. Leave comment below, subscribe Asma's Kitchen and don't forget to click on bell icon. I shall see you